channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of the Jeffree Star beautylish lucky bag that I received. So I did take everything out of the box, so I kind of got a sneak preview. But I'm still gonna be excited. Didn't open everything. First I got the Jeffree Star Skin Frost and Dark Horse. That's what that looks like. Got the Supreme Frost in Wet Dream. This is in Wet Dream. I've seen a couple other unboxings and other people have gotten Wet Dream as well. I have the liquid lipstick, the Velour liquid lipstick in Candyass, which I already have. That's okay, I really do like this color, so. There's the color there. I got the Jeffree Star, I don't know why I keep saying Jeffree Star, it's a Jeffree Star lucky bag. The Velour lip scrub in French Toast. This packaging is really pretty. And it smells really good. It smells just like French toast. Can't wait to dig into that one. I got the Blood Sugar palette. I'm sure everybody's seen this. But for those that haven't, I like the little clasps on here. It's kind of cool. And I'm sorry I'm blinding you guys. Here, maybe I'll do this. There, that's the palette there. Sorry if I blinded you guys. I'm sorry. And next I have this box. I think it's the mirror. I haven't opened the box yet. Oh, it is. One of the other girls that I saw unbox got the Popsicle mirror too. I'm glad I got the Popsicle mirror. I had hoped I would get a mirror, and I hoped it was the Popsicle one from the summer collection. So, really happy about that. I really like that. That's cute. And then I think everyone got this in their box. Well, at least something from this company, because apparently it's something new. So it says coming soon. It's from Good Molecules. It's the Wake Up Eye Serum. Ooh. Very nice. That's the packaging there. Looks nice. It's formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff for your under eyes. So that's pretty nice. So, I don't know if I can get a accurate price for that since it's new. I don't know if it'll be on the site yet, but I will look when I edit this. And I will also put a price of how much my my bag is worth. So that will be in the edited video when Editing Andrea comes in to edit. So if it's not in the video, it'll be down in the description box below. So hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Please hit the like button if you did and subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys in my next one.